Make your gammas more professional and engaging with the Wistia integration. You can seamlessly incorporate video content within your presentations, documents, and websites while maintaining full control over your viewer experience and tracking engagement metrics. The Wistia integration opens up exciting possibilities for various users. For businesses, create polished presentations by embedding your branded video content, display product demos, company announcements, and training materials with advanced analytics to track viewer engagement. For marketers, incorporate high-quality video campaigns into your pitch decks and marketing materials. Present marketing strategies with professional video content playing seamlessly in present mode while gathering valuable viewer insights. For internal communications, transform your documentation by embedding company updates, onboarding videos, and team presentations. Share materials that maintain your brand consistency while providing valuable engagement metrics. Let's learn more about it. How to add the integration. There are 3 ways to add Wistia videos to your gammas. Direct paste. Simply paste the Wistia link into your card. Gamma will automatically recognize and embed the video. Use gammas/command. Type /Wistia and paste your Wistia link or embed code. The video will instantly appear in your presentation. Use the Insert menu. Navigate to the Videos and Media section and find the Wistia option. Drag and drop the component to your desired location, then add the video's link or embed code. Now let's explore how to maximize this integration. Tips and tricks. Once you've inserted your Wistia video, click on the Advanced option to access additional configuration settings. Here you can customize the video's thumbnail and metadata, particularly useful when displaying videos on websites. You can also click on the display options to choose different ways to showcase your video. Embed reproduces the video within your gamma. Preview shows the link with a title and description. Button attaches the video link to a button. Link displays the regular URL. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. For instance, dragging one Wistia video on top of another creates a dynamic gallery to showcase your content. You can also insert Wistia videos within other components like columns, tables, and even smart layouts. And that's how you integrate Gamma with Wistia. It's quick, easy, and incredibly powerful for sharing professional video content. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas, powered by AI.